Hi, my name is Paul and you're watching a video by 3D printing Store.co.za. In this video we will go over the assembly of the filament spool holder. When we are done it will look like this. So let's get started. This assembly will take you between 5 and 10 minutes to complete. What the kit consists of is the laser cut perspex parts. There's 5 components in total. 4 M8 by 25 bolts, 4 M8 lock nuts, 4 M8 washers, 4 608 bearings, 12 M3 by 16 cap screws, 12 M3 nuts, and 2 of the printed blue tubes. We will start off by removing the laser film from the perspex components. This film is there to protect the perspex during the manufacturing process. So we'll remove the film from all 5 of the components. This film is on both sides of the perspex. Okay, great. Now we've removed the laser film from the perspex components, and the first thing we'll do is we'll mount the bearings to the sides of the spool holder. So we'll take these 2 components, you put it in you start from the side that you can read the writing, so this will be the outside. Then take one of the M8 bolts, put it through the hole. Take the M8 washer, put it on. Take the bearing, put that on. And then the M8 nut. Now we will tighten the nut onto the bolt. We'll use a 13 spanner and a shifting spanner for it. So we'll hold it on the one side and tighten the lock nut. You can tighten it till there's no more rattle, no more play on the bearing. And make sure the bearing can turn freely. We will do this for all 4 bearings for both sides. Now that all the bearings are fixed to the sides, we'll assemble the rest of the laser cut components. And how we will do that is we take the smaller ones and we put this side so that the bearings are to the top. Then this slots in like that, and the rounded corners, you'll see 2 of the corners are rounded and 2 of the corners are sharp. The rounded corners goes on the top. So then we insert these ones and the base plate at the bottom, and then we will use 6 of the M3 screws and 6 of the M3 nuts to fasten these 3 laser cut components through the holes provided. When we are finished with this section, the assembly should look like this, with the bearings on the inside, the writing you can see from the outside, and the other 3 laser cut components assembled like that. For the final step, we'll place this assembly on its side. We'll take the 2 blue tubes, put them over the bearings, and then this unit fits in from the top and it will slot into the Perspex components. And then we'll use the last 6 screws and nuts to fix this side as well to the rest of the assembly. When you're done with that, your spool holder will look like that. Then the last thing you can check is that your tubes can rotate freely. There should also be a little bit of play like that, so that there's minimal friction for the tubes to roll. And now you're ready to place your filament on the spool holder and start printing.